Massive counterfeit crackdown, R8 million in fake goods seized, 18 arrested in Fordsburg by Satori News. In a significant strike against illicit trade, the National Counterfeit Goods Unit, in collaboration with multiple law enforcement partners, conducted a major takedown at a shopping complex on Pine Avenue in Fordsburg. The concerted effort resulted in the seizure of counterfeit goods surpassing R8 million in value and the arrest of 18 suspects. Officials from the South African Revenue Service's SARS, National Regulator for Compulsory Specifications, NRCS, brand protectors, crime prevention wardens, and private security joined the police force. They were all present on Thursday, 18th of July 2024, to carry out a planned search and seizure operation under the auspices of the Customs and Excise Act. This act enlists rigorous penalties for the trade of counterfeit products, which violate intellectual property laws and pose risks to consumer safety. During the raid, the authorities discovered an astounding cache of 10,000 counterfeit items that included a wealth of cell phone accessories bearing counterfeit trademarks. Items such as covers, batteries, chargers, and earphones were found ingeniously concealed within specially fabricated hidden storage compartments, demonstrating the sophisticated methods used by counterfeiters to avoid detection. The seized products impersonated various well-known brands, which is a practice that not only misleads consumers, but also impinges on the rightful owner's trademark rights. The inclusion of counterfeit labels and packaging materials signifies the extent of the infringement operations, pointing to an organized mechanism geared towards convincing buyers of the authenticity of these fake goods. 18 individuals identified as illegal foreigners of diverse nationalities were arrested and faced charges under the Immigration Act. What's more, one of these individuals is facing additional charges under the Cyber Crimes Act, indicative of the multifaceted nature of such counterfeit operations, potentially involving other illegal online activities. This operation exemplifies the ongoing efforts by law enforcement to combat the scourge of counterfeit trade in South Africa. Not only does it underscore the collaborative work involving various agencies, but it also emphasizes the government's commitment to enforcing intellectual property rights and ensuring the safety and security of its citizens against illegitimate products. The aftermath of the raid serves to reassure authentic brands and the public that measures are being taken to protect legitimate trade interests and uphold the law. Such government-led operations deter fraudsters and send a clear message about South Africa's no-tolerance approach to counterfeit trade, thereby fostering a safer market environment for consumers and businesses alike. The suspects are currently being processed and are expected to appear before a magistrate court, where they will be held accountable for their actions. This stands as a warning to those engaged in counterfeit operations, highlighting the risks associated with trading in illicit goods and the severe consequences that follow. Thank you for choosing Satori News.